double click on the stand for H5. You can close out this now. Now that you have this, so you have add wheel spins and you have add super wheel spins and you have rare cars. I don't know exactly what this does, but like I'm still gonna show it. I have an idea what it does, but I'll show you. And then we have make all cars free, which is also kind of sick. And we have hide cursor while focused. So I'm gonna show you my wheel spins right now. So we're gonna go to my Horizon and show you. So right now I have 9,954. Clear that real quick. I got horrible from that. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna open it up and we're gonna go to here and I'm just gonna add a lot. I mean, let's just add a big number. Oops, I didn't mean to click that. So let's go ahead and add like, is that like 10,000? So we're gonna click add super wheel spins and then we're gonna go back. We're gonna back out and try it for a second. Go back in, go to my Horizon, and boom, there you go. You should have wheel spins. It's as easy as that. There's literally nothing to it. So you can, I did super wheel spins. You can also add wheel spins, but like wheel spins are kind of horrible. So I'm gonna stick with the super wheel spins. So now I'm gonna show you the free cars. So what you want to do is you want to hover over here and you want to open up the thing, and you just want to click and make all cars free. And you want to back out and like drive for a second, and go back in, go to my Horizon, go to cars. I'm at cars, not. Then go to buy new, go there. Okay, so now you want to go to garage. Actually, where do you buy car? Oh yeah, right here. So you want to go to auto show, and boom, there you go. All the cars are free. It's as easy as that, and you can just buy whatever you want. Let's buy. I don't know what to buy. Buy something. Buy a Ferrari. We'll buy this. So just gonna buy it. Let's just pick. Just this one. See, it says free. Select. Yes. It's as easy as that. Dang, I cannot talk tonight. It's like late. It's like 2 AM when I'm recording this. So excuse my grammar, whatever. And boom, there you go. Now you have it. So I'm gonna fully back out and show you that I do have it. And boom, there you go. It's as easy as that. So if you have any questions down below, I'll try to answer all of them. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope this works for everyone. It should. And I'll catch y'all later. Peace.